Good morning, good morning, good morning. My name is Terza Andrews. Good morning. I hope everybody's feeling well this morning. Well, good morning. As I stated before, my name is Terza Andrews. If this is your first time joining me live, please put in the comment section 111 and live. If you're watching this after the live, please take a moment to put in the comment section #replay. Good morning. My name is Terza Andrews. Today I want to talk to you about disappointments. Learn how to deal with disappointments. So often in life we have great expectations. And with that expectation, we expect certain things to happen. Good morning, Courtney. How are you? Thank you for joining me. We often get disappointed when we have high expectations, and in those high expectations, we become disappointed when things don't work out the way that we desire them to work out. So this morning I want to talk to you about disappointments because we're all susceptible to having disappointments. It's inevitable. It's a part of life. But it's up to you what you do with those disappointments. Now, when you are a business owner, it's very important for you to understand that even though you have goals and you have a vision and you have a mission, it's very important that you make sure that everything that you do line up with your bottom line. Your bottom line is what it is that you expect to do at every event, every post, every ad, everything that you have connected to your business. You want it to line up with your bottom line. Good morning, Vicki. How are you? Thank you for joining me this morning. You want to make sure that everything that you do line up with your bottom line. But even in the essence of making sure that everything is lined up with your bottom line, your vision, goals, and everything, there are going to be some disappointments. But how do you deal with that? You face it head on. You face it head on and you regroup, try to find new ways of doing things so that the people that you are connected to will understand the passion and the energy that you're putting behind what you're doing, so they understand, listen, we can't move forward without knowing what it is that we have to do to support one another. Hi, honey. Thank you for dropping by. Listen, oftentimes we want things to happen a specific kind of way, but when you're in business, whether it's even with the functionality of your home, even if it's the way that you're doing a social group, everything that you do, you're going to have certain expectations, but in the midst of having those expectations, it's going to be inevitable that you're going to be disappointed at one point or another. But you can't give up, you can't give in. You just assess. You can change your plans, but never the goal. Don't change the goal. Don't change your bottom line, because that's how your culture is created. The culture of your business, the culture of your group, the culture of your family, the way that the foundation of your family is being ran is based on that bottom line. What do you expect to accomplish in your bottom line? And so this morning, I just want to stop by and let you know, don't give up, don't give in, don't surrender. Stay focused to what it is that you're trying to accomplish in your business. Stay focused in what you're trying to accomplish on a day-to-day basis, and write those things down. Write the vision down. Make it plain. Oftentimes, I write the things that I want to accomplish down in a tablet, right? And so we have to revisit those things to make sure it's lined up with what it is that we're planning. Oftentimes, we make mistakes. And as you are, I'm a new home-based business owner. And so the main reason why I'm talking about this, because in my flow of being a business owner, I've been disappointed. There's things that I've planned and nobody would show up, but I still act like I have a room full of people. You understand? I still participate like I'm in an auditorium because I have big dreams, I have big goals, and I expect great things to come because I've seen the vision. I don't know when it's going to happen. I don't know how it's going to happen, but I can't give up. I have to stay focused on the things that I see. So that a man thinketh, so is he. That means mankind, okay, or human, okay. All of us are human. We are susceptible to making mistakes and doing things wrong. But if we don't begin to write down the plan and the goals that we expect to have, that's lined up with our bottom line, that's lined up with our vision, goal, and mission has to be lined up with our bottom line. And if you give up on what it is that the Creator has given you, your gifts, your talents, and your abilities, you've given up on God. Not just yourself, you've given up on Him because He desires to work through you. So I just wanted to stop by this morning and let you know that you're important to the world. I love you. God bless you. And I look forward to seeing you over the top. If you have any questions, please put in the comment section more information. I'll share some information with you that will help you succeed in your business, that'll help you continue to persevere. You need coaching, you need branding, you need somebody that's going to show you how it needs to be done. But if you don't take the initiative to step out and do what it is that you need to do for yourself, then nobody else is going to gravitate towards you. God bless you. Have a wonderful day. And even in your disappointments, remember, you have a place just for you. There is a place just for you. And I tell you, it's over the top. Talk to you soon. Have a beautiful day. Peace.